revolutionary technology behind the Nivpat app recognizes essentially identical images that each link to individual content, evolving past barcodes to QR codes to image-based services like Erasmus, who graced the stage just last year. Nivpat allows a designer image to be used as a link to social media profiles rather than using an industrial ID code. Identifying the different versions of an image, either in person or on screen, would make the Nivpat application the most robust version of its type that I've ever seen. The Nivpat team's acknowledgement of the possibilities of image recognition make the application a contender, while their innovation and development of the technology earn them a place in our pool of finalists. Now, today's spokesperson for Nivpat needs no introduction. Or does he? Because in Vegas, things are not always what they seem.
Hey guys, how you doing? Hey, good to see you. Welcome to Las Vegas, everybody. Good to see you. Good to see you. I know what you're doing. You're looking at me going, hey, isn't that guy from the talk show? Was that the band? Yeah. That's what happens when you don't show up at rehearsal. Anyway, no, I'm not who you think I am. Just to give a little disclaimer, no, I am not Dave Letterman. So just get that out of the way. Anyway, ironically, I'm wearing Justin Bieber underwear. I didn't know they were going to be giving all those toothbrushes away. Anyway. Alrighty, folks. Listen, I'm not a technical person. I don't know a lot about computers. I'm not going to pretend I do. You guys are a lot smarter than me. But this next product, Nivpat, is pretty amazing. So how about if we bring up the two guys that invented it? Please give a warm round of applause for Luca Bushkin and Alessandro Prest. Good to see you. Now I was looking at it a little bit, and this is a little. It's a very simple concept, but yet the technology has to be. Just explain to the people what Nivpat is.
Yeah, Nivpat is a really cool way. It allows you to link your real life to your digital life. So we apply the technology to numerous applications. It goes from billboards to garments. We're going to show you today how it works, for example, on our t-shirts. You see me and Alessandro have two t-shirts that look basically the same, but special identities are linked to each other's t-shirts. So I'm going to be able to read Alessandro's identity out of his t-shirt. So if I get my computer hooked up here,
okay, we got a computer.
There we are.
Okay.
So I'm going to launch the Nivpat application. Now it's loading. It's scanning the world around me. If I point it at Alessandro, now it's scanning his code there. And there it is. It recognizes it's Alessandro. So I could connect with him on Facebook, on Twitter. I could send him an email. And I'm also going to show you how it works, for example, if Alessandro points the application at me. There it is. So you can see that's me. You could write me an email. You could Facebook me, call me directly. Really cool stuff.
So you just point your phone at the person's t-shirt or sweatshirt, whatever, and how does it work?
Well, thanks to our expertise in artificial intelligence, we created an algorithm which is able to recognize millions of subtle variations in color and shape of a designer artwork.
So now what can they send? I mean, you put the camera. I mean, you put your phone on there and send them what? Like Facebook and website, any kind of social.
You can link any kind of information to your t-shirt, and the cool thing about it, it works on any surface where you see the item. So it could be on TV, on billboards, live, as we've demonstrated. So a really cool way to get in contact and information without using those ugly QR codes or barcodes, like you were saying.
So what is it reading? I mean, like obviously these are words, and it's the same words. Was there something embedded in the message?
Exactly, it's embedded within the design, so it works with any design that artworks that the graphic designers submit to us. And it's a really simple way to integrate it.
Now, is it always on? I mean, can you turn it off? Or?
If you don't want to be identified somewhere, maybe when I go around CES, I don't want to be identified, I can switch it on. Or if I want to get some good publicity about my product, then I can switch it on and people can recognize me.
That's amazing. That looks good, guys. Hey, can I get a...
Well, actually, I have one for you if you want to try it on.
All right, let's try this.
Let's see if the guys can hook us up again so we can show how it works. There it is. And there's the result.
Wait, wait a minute. Jay Leno clone. All right, obviously there's a glitch in the problem, right? They'll fix that a little later on. But guys, anyway, congratulations. It's a great app. With social media the way it is today, you can really link it in. Everybody, you got to check it out, folks. Go to nivpat.com, nivpat.com, and check these guys out. Brilliant young fellas. Nice job. Let's hear it again. Round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for Luca Busman and Orlando Press. We'll see you guys later. Thanks so much. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Let's have a big round of applause. Let's hear it for Jay Leno calling who's frighteningly funnier than Jay Leno.